colors the sky of more and more. You tell me that's red and more and more. Where shall I put my shoes and more and more? He said put them on your head and then more and more.
Sash,
What?
you're silly. Coco? So I'm finally talking a whole lot better, still a little bit off. So every year I seem to have a problem with the ice and the snow around here. I went to one of the houses that I caretake and watch over because I live down in New York City on the weekends. I'm sorry, during the week, so they only come up on the weekends. And there was a tiny piece of ice outside the door, and I'm pretty precautious, like about looking around and all down, because last year I broke my rib on a piece of ice. And literally I went down and I heard something crack and I felt pain like I never felt before. So I looked in my mouth and half my back tooth was missing and it was completely rotted off and completely broken. So I went to the dentist and they're basically like, we have to remove your entire tooth. You hit it so hard that it got infected and rotted out right away. So now I'm trying to heal from that, and then I'm going to get a fake tooth. Not something I planned for, but unfortunately it happened. So the dentist has been great, but it's been a lot of healing, because when you have a tooth and like talking and your gums are swollen, it's been this whole huge process. So Sasha doesn't have school, huge snowstorm coming, so I'm gonna take her to work with me and I'll take you guys along. So you want to show everybody your new super duper shoes? So we had to get Sasha some new super duper shoes. I swear by Amazon, because they actually have Velcro shoes that aren't toddler shoes, and they're actually quite decorative, and New Balance makes them wide enough for the AFOs to go in them as well. What are you doing?
Can I bring my wheelchair?
You want to bring your wheelchair?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Because I want it in case I get tired.
Well, you won't get tired because I'm carrying you where we're going.
Please.
Here she comes. Remember, hold on to the railing. You're doing a good job.
Whoa.
Just take it nice and easy. Remember, we got to keep trying to walk.
Yes, I know. Tell me what that.
There you go. Good job.
What's that?
I think it's a bird.
Where? What is it?
I'm just taking a video of you in trouble.
Dad, look! She's stretching like crazy.
That's Stretch Cunningham.
That's a good boy. Oh, Tink, look at you. You got fever. You're burning up.
She had to check his forehead to see if he had a fever, because he just sneezed, so she thinks he's getting sick.
We can't go on like this. Let's put this day on hold. Come on, admit to yourself. Okay, I have a cold.
Nice cold song.
Thanks.
Meanwhile, Sasha wanted to come in the playroom / sensory room, and on a snowy day, she wanted to get her colored pencils out and pad a pen, some colored paper, and she wanted to cut. And she's got her special needs.
Mom.
Uh-oh. Somebody's back.
Mom, can you get my
You want to show everybody how you're cutting the paper?
Sure.
Okay.
Just let me turn it upside down real quick.
I'll show everybody how you cut. So these are special needs scissors, and she presses them together instead of holding them like normal scissors. So you just squeeze them together and you cut. So for people with hand coordination, that they're really, really good. Like Sasha has, you know, because of her cerebral palsy, she has motor coordination sometimes in certain areas is stronger or weaker than others. So we've had these special needs scissors. I think they're like $12 off of Amazon. Best thing ever. So this is now 45 minutes later and she is still cutting. I've even been out to shovel some snow, and it looks like it has literally snowed paper in my room. And what is your brother's dirty sock doing over there?
What?
What is that sock doing over there?
What sock?
That one.
George!
I mean, what is this?
We gotta go get
If you ever want like an activity to keep your kids busy, just give them a pair of scissors and colored pencils and a book and she's good to go. My gosh, girl. You have anything to say about this?
a cutting.
You're just still cutting. What on earth are you making?
A spider.
A spider, okay. Oh my gosh, so I was on the phone answering a phone call, and what did your brother get you? It is 9:57 in the morning.
He got me french fries from McDonald's.
I am anti-junk food, and what do? Joshua James, no comment. Meanwhile, I try to do like the really healthy route with the kids, and like I said, I was on the phone, and your brother came home from shoveling. What is this?
He got me french fries.
It is 10 o'clock in the morning, miss. You know, your brother knows your passion too well for french fries. What do you think about him?
Wait.
Is he,
Mom,
what?
you text Grams about this,
I don't know. That's a pretty bad thing to have french fries in the morning.
please.
So Sasha, of course, made me do one of these after the snowstorm. What do you think?
Go make legs.
Legs? He's missing legs?
Yeah.
What are we supposed to make legs out of?
Snow.
Snow? Okay.
You bring
What are you doing?
big snow angel.
Making snow angels?
All my nuts. You still don't make a snow angel.
Thank gosh for waterproof coat and pants on. What are you doing? You're all done?